Well, at the moment, there are some allegations that have been leveled by Uddhav Thackeray's UBT and MNS about the PADU machines. They have also raised suspicion on the intention of the Election Commission. Well, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, has refuted the claims and the allegations that have been leveled by Raj Thackeray. And Devendra Fadnavis says that Raj Thackeray and he himself was also marked with the new ink pen, which does not erase as alleged.
आता नवीन काहीतरी काढलं की त्यांनी काहीतरी आता ते पाडू नावाचं काहीतरी यंत्र आता उद्या काहीतरी मतदार मोजणीच्या वेळेला वापरणार. म्हणजे विरोधी पक्ष वगैरे या नावाची काही गोष्ट ठेवायचीच नाही. दुसऱ्या पक्षाने निवडणुका लढायच्याच नाही. सरकारने ठरवायचं की कशा प्रकारे निवडणुका जिंकायच्या. जे त्यांनी विधानसभेच्या वेळेला केलं ते आता हे सगळं करायचा प्रयत्न करतायत. होऊ देणार नाही तो भाग वेगळा. परंतु आता हे मशीन आणलंय. हे मशीन कोणत्याही राजकीय पक्षाला दाखवलेलं नाहीये. पण हे मशीन आणल्यावरती त्याचं क्लॅरिफिकेशन, त्याची स्पष्टता ही निवडणूक आयोगाने द्यायची. ते देत नाहीयेत. आणि आज तर अजूनच वेगळं काहीतरी की बाबा आजपर्यंत ती इंक लावली जायची.
So the allegations are about the PADU machine and also the fact that Raj Thackeray claims instead of the ink, marker pens are being used. We have Rucha Nilesh joining us on the broadcast. Rucha, allegations coming in from both the UBT and the MNS raising questions on the intention of the Election Commission, specifically raising concerns about the PADU machine, which is a backup machine in case a technical error occurs during counting. Raj Thackeray is also saying that instead of the ink, marker pens are being used and can be easily removed with the help of a sanitizer.
In fact, Uddhav Thackeray played some videos in his press conference and he showed how people are also sharing their experiences, that the ink that is there on their fingers after voting is used with the marker pens and not with the usual ink that is usually used in the election. And this is the first time that marker pens are being used, and which is also easily removable. Once you put sanitizer or acetone on it, it is easily being removed, is what Uddhav Thackeray said. And apart from that, one more allegation is on the duplicate voters. He said that despite conducting multiple checks or despite going to the Election Commission, taking protest on Election Commission to correct the voters list, the issues occur the same. They are persistent, and today also many of the voters are not able to find their own polling booths. In fact, he also mentioned the Cabinet Minister of Maharashtra, the Forest Minister Ganesh Naik is also not able to find his polling booth. This is the concern that Uddhav Thackeray talked about. And apart from that, a PADU machine, a printed auxiliary display unit, which is going to be used for the first time in BMC polls. This is one of the issues that was brought up by Raj Thackeray. He said that
that was supposed to be historic. The use of that machine, the printing auxiliary display unit, was supposed to be historic. It's now mired in controversy. Let's listen into what Raj Thackeray said about it.
आता नवीन काहीतरी काढलं की त्यांनी काहीतरी आता ते पाडू नावाचं काहीतरी यंत्र आता उद्या काहीतरी मतदार मोजणीच्या वेळेला वापरणार. म्हणजे विरोधी पक्ष वगैरे या नावाची काही गोष्ट ठेवायचीच नाही. दुसऱ्या पक्षाने निवडणुका लढायच्याच नाही. सरकारने ठरवायचं की कशा प्रकारे निवडणुका जिंकायच्या. जे त्यांनी विधानसभेच्या वेळेला केलं ते आता हे सगळं करायचा प्रयत्न करतायत. होऊ देणार नाही तो भाग वेगळा. परंतु आता हे मशीन आणलंय. हे मशीन कोणत्याही राजकीय पक्षाला दाखवलेलं नाहीये. पण हे मशीन आणल्यावरती त्याचं क्लॅरिफिकेशन, त्याची स्पष्टता ही निवडणूक आयोगाने द्यायची. ते देत नाहीयेत. आणि आज तर अजूनच वेगळं काहीतरी की बाबा आजपर्यंत ती इंक लावली जायची. बरं का, आता काहीतरी नवीन पेन आणलंय आणि ते पेनमध्ये इतक्या तक्रारी सगळ्या बाजूनी येत आहेत की तुम्ही बाहेर पडल्यावरती त्याला जर सॅनिटायझर लावलं तर ती शाई जाते.